Assembly, we have decided to cover some elements of our school vision. As global citizens, we have explored ways to help our local area and the one that we live in.
Allow me to introduce you to a very ordinary classroom in the year 2119. Today the children have been discussing their local environment.
Miss, why is the air so polluted and hard to breathe?
Where will the rainforest go? And all the interesting animals that they had in the park. Yeah, and why is Sentosa underwater? My grandma said it was a great place to visit. She loves something called the luge.
They're all very good questions, children, but I think the best way to answer them is to use the time control to go back in time and visit a typical family that day of year 2019. Now, has everyone brought their permission slips?
Yes, Miss.
Hey, look, has the kettle boiled yet? Yes, sweetie, tea's all around. Coming up. Now, children, have you noticed what just happened? This family has just used electricity to boil water in a kettle to make tea for the family.
What's wrong with that, Miss? My mom loves a cup of tea.
Well, they have boiled much more water than is needed. That means they have used much more power than they had to. Now, remember, children, never boil more water than is needed.
Never boil more water than you need.
This is a really nice cup of tea. Thanks, Mom.
Thank you, sweetheart. Now go and watch TV with your brother. Now, children, do you know why I stopped it this time?
Because the dad is being very, very, very late. And the mom is doing all of the work. Yeah, I know one thing for sure. My mum wouldn't stand for that, lazy oaf.
No, children, it's because the mom put the tea back into the bin when it could be recycled and put into the compost bin. Remember, children, all natural waste can be composted.
Everything that is natural can be recycled in the compost bin.
Does anyone see my phone? I need to send a message. Yes, son, it's plugged in. Thanks, Dad.
What's it this time, miss?
Did you notice where the boy got his phone from?
Yes, miss, from the phone charger. But it was surely okay to charge a phone in the olden days. But how else could he keep in touch with all of his friends?
Of course it was okay to charge your phone in 2019, but you should always unplug it when it has been charged. Otherwise, you're still wasting energy when it has been fully charged.
Remember to unplug your devices once they have been charged.
Oh, this program is so boring. I'm going to go to my room to finish my computer game. What do you mean, finish it, son? Oh, I was doing really well earlier, but you called us in for tea. It was nearly at the enter level, so I paused it. Good idea, son. If you need any help, just give me a call. Yeah, right.
Now, here's something else that I want to point out.
But that's a real rubbish computer games.
Well, yes, but that's not why I stopped it. If you're not playing a game, you should not pause it. Can you tell me why?
Because it wastes energy?
Excellent. Yes, exactly. It's very important to switch things off when you're not using them.
It's very important to switch things off when we are not using them.
Not much in the paper this one. Always say that, dear. Just throw it in the bin.
Are we still going shopping today, Mum?
Yes, dear. Just a minute. Now, that would have happened in our time, would it, children?
No, miss.
Yes, we all know the importance of recycling everything we can, especially things like paper. We must save the few trees that we have left.
We must recycle our paper.
And cans. By recycling, we can save energy and raw materials.
Every time using hand, we must try to recycle it.
Okay, sweetheart, let's go. Shall I switch the AC off?
No, son, leave it on. It'll be far too hot in here when we get home. And leave the lights on too, so people will think that we're in.
Shall we take the plastic bags from last time, Mum? No, can't be bothered with them. We'll get some more at the shop. What's that sound? Oops, I left the tap running in the kitchen. I'll go switch it off. Shall I get my MRT card, Mum? No, it's far too hot to walk today. We'll get the car instead. Come on, children. No. I don't even know where to begin here. We do, miss. Go on. They've left the AC on.
Yeah, in the light.
And their mum left the tap running. And they didn't use the plastic bags. And they used the car instead of using public transport. Fantastic, class. So you really have noticed a lot from this family. Let's see if we can recap on everything that we have learned from that last clip.
Never leave the AC on when you're not in the room. Open your cupboard and use your plastic bags. Tap should be turned off when not in use. I should always try to remember to switch off the lights when I leave the room. Never use a car if you could use public transport just as easily.
Well done, class. I think we should teach our lazy family a lesson on the environment before they ruin it for us. Shall we take Mr. Smith back to the future with us?
Yeah, let's go!
Mr. Kennedy, Professor Hutchison, will you help? Of course, leave it to us. Where am I? You have traveled to the year 2119. It's horrible. Why is the air so hard to breathe? Where are all the trees and animals gone? Just look at all the pollution. What have I done? You have fooled us in the past, Jim, and it has ruined the future. What can I do? Well, here are some pointers to help you get started.
Never use a car if you could use public transport just as easily. Everything that is natural can be recycled in the compost bin. Open your cupboard and reuse your plastic bags. Recycle your paper. I should always try to remember to switch off the lights when I leave the room. Never leave the AC on when you're not in the room. Tap should be turned off when not in use.
I promise to sort out my messed up environment starting from right now.
That's better. It's not too late. Everyone of you in this hall can help us save our environment.
Well, Jim did certainly learn a valuable lesson. Let's hope he changes his ways in the past so that he can change in the future.